Hey guys, we're at Harrisburg, 2023, July. You can see how the tent got blown down over there. Poles landing on top of the cars. Car covered in the tent. There's so much damage. There's poor people who spent time building these cars. Windstorm was crazy. Now we were staying in a camper outside, and we lost our awning, and that's just nuts. As you can see, there's just parts laying everywhere like that, scattered from what happened. And I'm sorry that the camera quality is not the best. It's just my phone. I wanted to be someone who could upload you. This came through maybe about 30 minutes ago. Now off in the distance, right about there, all that used to be a tent, and I'm sorry about the film quality. It is an iPhone 13, but still, and then you're doing far distance, it doesn't do justice. You can see we lost our tent. Excuse me, we lost our cover for the side, so our awning's now on the floor, and the devastation that's just gone through here is crazy. I really hope everyone who has brought their vehicle here can recover, and anyone who maybe got hit with the storm outside of this can stay safe. And I'll keep you updated. But this is July 2023, Harrisburg Mecum Auctions, Pennsylvania. Ford classic cars.